Ever wonder why kale suddenly became a health icon while other superfoods disappeared? Or why we're excited about lab-grown meat, insect protein, or plant-based burgers? Food trends are not random. They're shaped by hidden psychological forces. Food is never just about taste. It's about identity, culture, memory, and even survival instincts. Every bite we take carries invisible influences: social pressure, nostalgia, novelty, and personal values. In this video, we'll explore how psychology shapes the future of food trends. Why some foods explode into global phenomena while others vanish without a trace. Humans are wired to seek new experiences. That's why strange foods catch our attention. From avocado toast to cricket flour, psychologists call it the novelty effect. Our brain gets a dopamine rush from trying something new. This is why food companies constantly reinvent flavors and launch limited editions. Food trends thrive on what others are eating. From viral TikTok recipes to celebrity endorsements, we copy what we see. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, makes us try things we might never choose alone. Social media algorithms amplify this, turning one person's snack into a global craze overnight. While novelty excites us, comfort foods pull us back. Old favorites like sourdough, mac and cheese, or cultural dishes return again and again. In an era of fast food and artificial flavors, we yearn for authentic and real meals. That's why artisanal, organic, and handmade foods are booming. They tap into childhood memories and a sense of safety. Food is also about values. Today, many people choose meals based on sustainability, animal welfare, or climate impact. Plant-based meats, fair trade coffee, and eco-friendly packaging are not just products. They're identity statements. What we eat has become a way of saying, "This is who I am, and this is what I stand for." The future of food is not random. Behavioral economics shows how small nudges can shape choices. Menu designs guide us to pick healthier meals. Supermarkets place items to make us buy more. Subscription boxes predict and shape our diets. The paradox of choice, too many options, creates anxiety. That's why curated, simplified food experiences are rising. Tomorrow's food trends will be driven by psychological triggers, not just flavor. So, the next time you try a trending snack, ask yourself, is it novelty, nostalgia, social proof, or values guiding your choice? The psychology of food reveals that what we eat is never just about hunger. It's about who we are, what we believe, and where the future is headed. Stay curious, subscribe to Fact Flair Fusion, and let's keep exploring the hidden forces shaping our world.